it's Brittany Jackson from Learning Technologies, and I'm here today to offer some tips, some do's and don'ts of screen recording. So the first tip I have is to prepare your space. Find someplace quiet, someplace where you're able to focus. You won't be disturbed, especially if you're doing this right now at home during quarantine. You have people around, it's going to be more likely you're disturbed. So find a place where you can go that's quiet and your family won't be walking in on you. Then when you're thinking about recording, know that no size fits all. So the different methods of recording, you could use Zoom to record, you can use your iPad to record, there are other programs you can use to record. No size fits all. So if you are doing a lecture, maybe the iPad is a better way to go for you. If you want them to see your face and the lecture, maybe Zoom is the better way to go. If you want them to just see your face, recording on your iPad using just the camera might be the way to go. So it just depends on what you're looking for. And then record in shorter chunks. Don't try to do it all in one sitting, especially if you're going through a lecture or a PowerPoint. Record in chunks because students can only really focus, and this goes for all of us, not just students, for no more than a half hour at a time. But really, if you shorten it to 5 to 10 minute segments, students can digest it more easily, watch it at their own pace, and it's a little bit easier to manage. Now, here's some don'ts. Don't rush. I am notorious for rushing. I speak really quickly. It's just who I am. But I'm really focusing right now, recording this video, trying to slow myself down a little bit. So keep that in mind. Be ready to mess up. Be disturbed. I've already messed up this video 2 times. It's going to happen. Just roll with it. Start over. Breathe. You've got this. And finally, don't give up. While it is challenging and while it may be new to you, once you learn it, it starts to become like riding a bike. You can get back on. So don't be afraid to try new things with it. At worst, you just got a video recording that's not going to help you a lot, right? And at best, you've got an awesome thing that you didn't expect was going to work that did. Be willing to try new things. So this is Brittany signing off and wishing you good luck in all of your screen recording attempts.